In the figure shown below, each pair of intersecting line segments meets at a right angle, and all the lengths are given in inches. What is the perimeter in inches of the figure? So the given figure here has 10 sides, but the lengths are given only for 7 sides here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, only for 7 sides. And if we're going to add up all the sides here, all the given sides, they will add up to 36 inches in all. Since the 3 sides are missing, this one, and this one, that means that the perimeter of this figure here is greater than 36 inches. Now, to solve for the perimeter of this figure, we will just use the given values here or the given information to find the missing sides, the 3 sides. So based on the figure here, we can see that the sum of the right facing sides equals the sum of the left facing sides, and the sum of the top facing sides is equal to the sum of the top at the bottom facing sides as well. And now it's easy to see that the top facing sides are just equal to the bottom facing side, which is equal to 14. Since we have all the values for the left facing sides, which is just equal to 12 inches, therefore the right facing sides also have the sum of 12, this one here. And the bottom facing sides would also equal to 14. Therefore, the perimeter is just the sum of all the sums of the sides, which is just equal to 14 plus 12 plus 12 plus 14, and that would give us a total of 52 inches. So the answer here is letter D. If x equals 3r minus 4 and y equals 3r plus 2, which of the following expresses y in terms of x? Now, to write an expression for y in terms of x, when x is equal to 3r minus 4 and y equals 3r plus 2, we first solve for x equals 3r minus 4 for r. So let's do that. So x equals 3r minus 4. We add 4 to both sides. This cancels out, so this is just x plus 4 equals 3r, and we divide 3. We divide both sides by 3. Therefore, r is just equal to x plus 4 over 3, and then we can substitute the value of r here, so we can write y in terms of x. So that would be y equals 3r plus 2, and substituting the value of r, which is just equal to x plus 4 over 3 plus 2, and 3 cancels out. Therefore, y is just equal to x plus 4 plus 2. And this is just equal to x plus 6. Therefore, the answer here is letter B. The ratio of the radii of two circles is 9:16. What is the ratio of their circumferences? Now, to find the ratio of their circumferences given the radii of two circles, which is 9:16, the formula for the circumference of a circle is equal to 2 pi r. And let's recognize here that both the circumference C and the radius are 1 dimensional attributes of a circle. So the ratio is 1:1. And since we are given here that the ratio of the radii of the two circles is 9:16, that means that the ratios of the circumferences of the two circles is the same, and it is also equal to 9:16. So the answer here is letter G. A circle in the standard xy coordinate plane is tangent to the x-axis at 4 and tangent to the y-axis at 4. Which of the following is an equation of the circle? So we just have to draw a diagram for this one to better understand the problem. Let's say this is our circle, and it says here that it is tangent to the x-axis at 4. So let's say this is 0.4, and this one is also 4. So this is 2. And this is our center, the center of the circle. Now to write the equation of the circle, we just need to find the center HK and the value of the radius. So for this circle, the center here HK is just equal to 4, 4. And the radius, this one, R, is equal to 4. And now we can write the equation of the circle. So the equation of the circle is just x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. And then we plug in the value of the center, hk. So that is x minus 4 squared plus y minus 4 squared equals the radius, which is equal to 4. That is 4 squared. Alright, we don't have 4 squared in the choices here. So we can just write the equation of the circle as this one. And that is equal to 16. Therefore, the answer here is letter D. Pentagon have 5 diagonals as illustrated below. How many diagonals does the heptagon, which has 7 sides below, have? Now to find the number of diagonals for the heptagon, we just have to draw diagonals from each vertex point. Since the heptagon has 7 sides, therefore it also has 7 vertex points. Now if we draw diagonals from each vertex point would create 4 diagonals. Since the heptagon has 7 vertex points, we just have to multiply 4 by 7. So that would be 7 times 4, and that is equal to 20. I thought we got 28 diagonals, but this would count each diagonal exactly twice. So we just have to divide the number of diagonals we got from multiplying the sides at the vertex points and the number of diagonals each vertex point created. So we divide it by 2. Therefore, the heptagon has 14 diagonals. So the answer is letter H.